let's tackle a cool problem about balancing parentheses. This is a great way to learn how stacks can solve string problems. We'll go step by step, using a stack to find the solution, and by the end, you'll see how straightforward it is. Here we go. Problem statement. You're given a string made up of only two characters, opening parentheses and closing parentheses. For example, these given strings. The goal is to find the minimum number of parentheses, either open bracket or close bracket, that need to be added anywhere in the string to make it valid. A string is valid if every opening bracket has a matching closing bracket. Brackets are closed in the correct order, meaning you can't close a bracket before opening it, and brackets must pair up properly. Constraints. The string length is between 1 and 10 to the power 5. The string contains only open bracket or close bracket. Examples. Input, open bracket, close bracket, close bracket. Output, 1. Explanation, add one open bracket at the start to get valid string. Input, open bracket, open bracket, open bracket. Output, 3. Explanation, add 3 close bracket at the end to get the valid string. The output is a single integer, the minimum number of parentheses to add. Approach. To solve this, we need to figure out how many unmatched parentheses are in the string and determine the minimum additions to balance them. A stack is perfect here because it naturally tracks unpaired opening brackets and helps us detect unmatched closing brackets. Here's the intuition. As we scan the string, an opening bracket suggests we're expecting a closing bracket later. A closing bracket needs to pair with a previous open bracket. If there's no open bracket to pair with, we need to add one. Any unpaired open bracket left at the end means we need to add close bracket to close them. We'll use a stack to keep track of unmatched open brackets. For each open bracket, push it onto the stack as it's waiting for a close bracket. For each close bracket, if the stack has an open bracket, top is an opening bracket. Pop it because we've found a valid pair. If the stack is empty, this close bracket is unmatched, so we'll need to add an open bracket to balance it. After scanning, any open bracket left in the stack are unmatched and need a close bracket each. The total number of parentheses to add is the number of unmatched close bracket, cases where we tried to pop an empty stack, plus the number of unmatched open bracket, remaining stack size. Let's try this with this string. Open bracket, push open bracket. Stack equals open bracket. Close bracket, pop open bracket. Stack equals empty. Close bracket. Stack is empty, so we need one open bracket. Count equals 1. End. Stack is empty, so no extra close bracket. Total equals 1. For this string, open bracket, push open bracket. Stack equals open bracket. Open bracket, push open bracket. Stack equals open bracket, open bracket. Open bracket, push open bracket. Stack equals open bracket, open bracket, open bracket. End. Stack has 3 open bracket. Need 3 close bracket. Total equals 3. This approach ensures we count the minimum additions needed. Given string. Index 0, character, open bracket. Action, push to stack. Stack, open bracket. Index 1, character, close bracket. Action, pop matching open bracket from stack. Stack, empty. Index 2, character, close bracket. Action, stack is empty unmatched close bracket. Count of needed open bracket, 1. Final result, unmatched close bracket, 1. Unmatched open bracket, 0. Total parentheses needed to make the string valid, 1. Explanation. Stack, stores unmatched brackets. Count, tracks unmatched close bracket when we see a close bracket with no open bracket to pop. After the loop, stack size gives unmatched open bracket needing close bracket. Total additions equals count for close bracket plus stack size for open bracket. Pseudocode. Function minimum parentheses to add, input string. Initialize stack as empty. Initialize unmatched closing count as 0. For each character in input string. If character is an opening bracket, push it onto the stack. Else if character is a closing bracket. If stack is not empty, pop one opening bracket from the stack. Else, increase unmatched closing count by 1. Unmatched opening count equals number of items left in the stack. Total to add equals unmatched closing count plus unmatched opening count. Return total to add. Time and space complexity. Time complexity, O of n. We scan the string once, processing each character in O of 1. Stack operations, push, pop, are O of 1. Final stack size check is O of 1. Total, O of n, where n is the string length. Space complexity, O of n. The stack stores at most n divided by 2 open brackets, e.g., for the given string. In the worst case, all open bracket, the stack size is n. Other variables, count, use O of 1. Total, O of n. Why efficient? A single pass through the string is optimal for reading all characters. The stack uses minimal extra space, proportional to unmatched brackets. Constraints, and less than or equal to 10 to the power 5. Ensure this runs fast even for large inputs. This stack-based approach is elegant because it tracks unmatched brackets naturally, handles both cases, unmatched open bracket and close bracket, in one pass, gives the exact minimum additions needed. For the given string, we added 1 open bracket. For this string, we added 3 close bracket. The stack made it easy to see which brackets were unpaired. Thanks for joining today's session.